Nairobi always became honest during blackouts. No filters, no screens, just people and whatever they were hiding. Yambura hated darkness, not because of fear, but because darkness forced people to think. McKenna watched Tumabot the same way scientists watch storms. Beautiful, but dangerous. Nkatha trusted Tumabot faster than she trusted humans. Maybe children recognize loneliness better than adults. Ken loved fixing broken things, but he was starting to realize Tumabot was hiding things. That was the first time McKenna realized something terrifying. Tumabot wasn't just learning the family. The family was learning him too.